Welcome back to the Aino tutorial series where we're teaching you how to be an expert in GIS analysis. Today, I'm going to show you how to share and export your maps from Aino.
So there's a bunch of different formats that you can export to depending how you plan on using your map and data down the line. So to begin, you can invite others to collaborate by email or link, like you would with Google Docs. So just sharing and giving them collaborator access. And if you make a mistake, you can uninvite them. You can also embed the project on a website. You can export as a presentation ready graphic in JPEG or PNG format. You can export for geospatial analysis in GeoJSON or CSV format. You can export to edit further in Illustrator or Photoshop in SVG or PDF format. Or you can export to AutoCAD, Rhino, SketchUp, or other CAD softwares in the DXF format. So stick around because in the next video, I'm going to show you some examples of some analyses that teams have built with Aino.